Welcome to Leadership Coaching on the Go. I'm Executive and Leadership Coach Phyllis Regan. Meet my client, Jordan. Well, it's not her real name. She's a creative strategist who found herself stuck in a cycle of competitive conflict. Jordan's approach led to temporary wins, but long-term damage on her team. Her team became disengaged and resentful. Realizing this, she sought coaching to change her strategy and rebuild trust on her team. Here's a helpful tip. Shift from winning a conflict to finding solutions that benefits the entire team. When everyone feels heard, trust grows and better results follow. Jordan's story is a great example of how changing your approach to conflict can lead to a healthier, more productive work environment.